Okay, let's see. Red River Boys. Okay. Let me see if I'm next to you. Yeah, I am. Where are you? Oh, I see.
Just in the parking lot. You want to follow me down to El Dorado?
Yeah.
So I can mark it off my map. And we can do some runs.
Hang on, I'm already dead.
What?
I'm already dead.
What happened?
I can't stop. Yeah, let's keep going. Yeah, when we do a trip, I'm definitely switching to my truck. Unless we're doing one from El Dorado, I'll do one in the tiny truck, but it's just dangerous.
We're actually a decent. I don't think we're actually that far from El Dorado because it looked like it looped me all the way around El Dorado.
Yeah.
But it shows 327 miles. We're not 327 miles from El Dorado. No. This has looped me all the way back to somewhere up north.
What did you do?
Me?
Bro, you flipped a truck back there.
How? I didn't touch a truck.
Well, there's evidence back there. Oh, we're in Texarkana, by the way.
I don't think I touched that truck.
Well, there's evidence. I almost died because I was behind it and it just got destroyed in front of me.
I was just going around it.
You might see him back here.
You what?
What?
What'd you say?
You might see him back here. Oh, we're hitting this exit. I was about to say, we go down there, you might just end up seeing Chuck. I just took out a sign.
I didn't get any damage if I hit him.
It looked pretty bad.
I just shot up around him.
Well, damn.
We're almost to El Dorado. You go down this highway. It looks like I'll actually unlock a store or something.
Let's go.
Oh, sorry, I'm in the map. Oh, shoot. Oh.
Is it just a straight shot there?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna let you get front. Speed up. Come on. Oh my gosh, you almost murdered that car.
But I didn't. Did I?
My truck's got damaged again.
From what?
I rear-ended you.
Oh.
Oh, we're taking a turn, aren't we?
I'm just running down to this camera spot down here where I hit El Dorado.
Let me route my...
There's another achievement that's like I saw Arkansas. Did you know that your air vents light up?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They look pretty cool.
Since you're hitting now, I'll meet you in El Dorado. See ya. We still got a good minute. Well, I almost just got hit by a train. There's no stopping it. It started dinging as I going through, and the train's a minute, like a second away.
Should have been patient. We're in Magnolia.
Yep. Oh, I almost just died again. Oh, I may die. Oh. Hang on. Saved it. This western star's gonna be beat up. Huh?
I got that. Now I'm gonna go down a little farther because there's one of the regular camera spots, and I have not been able to figure out what they are. So I'm gonna go see these.
I passed a red light in front of a cop, and he didn't.
You're not far from him. You're on the same road as me.
I know.
You could have just followed. There's a sleep spot. I think it's a dealership. Sleep spot. And ranch. Yeah, campus.
Bro, there's no Dollar Generals out here. There's just Family Dollars. That's it.
I know. I saw the Family Dollars yesterday. I thought that was kind of cool. But Family Dollar was like huge when they built Arkansas.
Really?
There was Family Dollars everywhere here for a long time.
I think
Okay, so it looks like this is a roundabout, and it looks like the camera spot is in the middle of this. This is a courthouse. Oh my god, dude, this looks like Cersei.
Are you serious?
Bro, this looks like Cersei's courthouse. And it has the same, well, no, this side doesn't. But this looks a whole lot like down there in Cersei. Okay, so here's this is where it shows the, I don't understand these camera spots. Because I don't see the camera icon. So I'm not sure what you do.
I'm waiting for you at a Volvo dealer.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, take your time. I'm just
I'm
chilling.
gonna have to look up what those are.
What?
I'm gonna Google it while I'm at this red light. These camera spots.
El Dorado's kind of a cool town. There's a lot here. Oh, wait, dude, there's a garage here. Dude, I may have to buy that at some point.
So there's photo trophies. Okay, so you have to photo the landmark in photo mode. How do you access photo mode?
That's a good question.
I'm going back. You should have stayed with me.
I'm chilling, okay? I'm like thriving out here, bro. My Western Star is worth money again, finally. I need to look at buying another garage. So is it like 180 grand?
Yes.
That's
Okay,
a
I
lot
gotta
of
look up how
money.
you get the photo. Okay, so pause the game. Oh, okay, so that would be F1, not escape. And then it says select photo mode or F10. Okay, so that's a screenshot. That's not. I don't think that's photo mode. And I don't see. Okay. So you do click escape. Oh, photo mode. Okay. Oh, cool. Magnolia Trophy captured. Magnolia Square. Cool. Okay, I figured that out. That's cool. Okay, on my way. I will be hitting all of those now. That's pretty neat. You could have got the trophy for that if you just stayed with me.
I'm looking at trucks, okay? I'm looking into garages to buy.
There's a garage in El Dorado.
I know, I don't have the money.
Yeah,
I-
it's expensive.
I need a garage, though. But I don't have,
I would also like to buy another garage,
I just don't,
but I do not have the money.
I just don't have like 180 grand sitting around.
I don't either. I've got 103 in the bank, so I need another 80 to buy another garage, and then at least another 100 to buy another truck. And I don't really want to take out any more loans.
I can't afford to. I just now got under $400,000 of debt.
Yeah, I feel that. I think I still owe about 300,000.
Dang, this international is getting beat the crap out of.
El Dorado sign. Here we go. El Dorado discovered. There's a photo spot down there too. So before we leave El Dorado, I will hit that. And we can find a load from here if you want to.
Okay.
I need to hit a sleep spot over here.
I can't do anything heavy. Let's see. Dude, there is a ginormous log stacker, but I don't have my heavy truck. That would have been cool.
God, I wish that these distances were not as long. There's one that pays 40 G's. It's 500 miles. It's from El Dorado to Enid, Oklahoma. It's only a hazard class 2, 35,000 pounds of anhydrous ammonia.
My truck is going to survive that. Let's do it. I wish I could buy a new Volvo.
We're 33-ish miles from the...
You're lucky. You got a truck that can pull stuff.
Well, this is only 30,000 pounds.
Yeah, but I also have a check engine light.
Yeah, okay. We're going to be taking a left up here. Because I want to hit this, photo stop before we get the trailer.
Oh, when they add the car pack, do you think there's going to be Ford dealers after?
I don't know. Hope so.
I just murdered.
I almost did you.
There's an ambulance in front of him. Oh man. I got a ticket.
I'm going to stop at this photo stop down here. How do you know where we're going?
Because he said he wanted to go to this camera spot. This church is pretty cool.
Shit. Literally just damaged my truck. Media photo mode. What am I looking at? Why does it look like this? Where's my truck? Why am I in a bush? What is going on?
What?
Reset. There we go. It's not letting me Reset camera. There we go. There we go. It's a picture of my truck. Oh, you just drove into the picture.
Sorry.
Oh, dude, you can change like all kinds of stuff to make it look. Pretty cool. Do you want to hit it? No? Alright, let's go get our trailers. What just happened? Did you see that?
Yeah.
What was that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Bro, it just did a ton of damage. I have no idea what just happened.
Yeah, your truck just went flying. I know, Mom. This sounds really cool. There's like telephone booths and stuff in it. It's neat downtown. Bro, it's like you hit a speed bump. Like you literally hit an invisible speed bump.
Okay, would you rather do this run or would you rather start a long run that we can finish tomorrow since I'm off and make Jack?
So, I really need another garage, so I want something that pays like lots.
Okay. Go to the freight market.
I need to
See
get.
what the...
I'm gonna be in Little Rock though, because I need my. If we're gonna do a long run like that, I need my big truck.
Are you cool with fast traveling somewhere for the money or no?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like the freight market, the biggest job right now is 165,000. And it's a 119,000 pound log stacker for 2,000 miles. I think the job we should take would be a chlorine tank. It's $147,000. So it's 15,000 less, but it's 300 less miles, and we're only pulling 34,000 pounds. I think that 2,000 miles with 120,000 pounds is going to be a lot. But we would have to pick this up in Montana.
We could do one from Pine Bluff to Seattle. It pays 188,000 grand, but it's 2,300 miles.
I don't have that one because it's past my depth. There's one from Pine Bluff to San Diego, California, 1,700 miles. 106,000.
So, I have one that pays 187,000, and it's only 100. And it's only 1,500 miles.
I don't think I have that one.
No, you go. You'll just follow me there, and then.
No, I'm saying I don't think I have it. I don't think I'm able to take it. Where's it out of?
It's from Fayetteville to Montana.
I don't have it.
How?
It means I can't take it. I don't know.
Because
You have something I don't have.
the jobs aren't the same. We don't have the same jobs.
Oh, okay. Well, let me fast travel to
Go to Fayetteville.
Fayetteville.
Hang on, let me take the job first, so it doesn't. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna fast travel real quick. We're 1 mile down the road. This journey would probably take 2 hours. Oh, we're going. It's trying to reroute me. I was not going to do this run in a tiny truck. Vanville's a pretty cool town.
Get some running this red light. Have you taken the job yet?
I'm working on it. Please be there. Yep, take job.
How far is this?
Let me see. Well, I need to connect to my trailer. One 1,586 miles.
Do you know how heavy this is?
88,000 pounds.
It's not too bad.
Bro, we're about to get a buttload of money.
As long as we don't crash.
Yeah, with this type of load, we do not want to lose money. Let's just play it safe with this trip.
I say that as I've already drove my. I didn't make this first time.
Okay, well, after when this turns green, the journey begins. Let's hope we're gonna stay on the interstate the whole time.
I say we're not. Good job. With this length of a trip, probably not.
Well, we're not going to go through like California or places like that, so we should be fine.
Just so you know, I have a cute dog over here.
I'm so
This guy's
jealous.
the world's cutest dog. World's cutest dog. Mr. Rome.
Let's go.
We're green. Hopefully that Western Star get up to speed so I don't have to stop. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Had my blinkers on It's all good.
Yeah, you can't turn your blinker on if I'm halfway up your trailer. I cannot see that.
I don't know. I saw you are far back. Go to Wahlberg. Hope that Peterbilt can get up to speed.
I'll handle it just fine. I think we forget what truck has the better transmission, better frame.
Nothing's wrong with the Western Star.
Nothing's wrong with it. It's just not a Peterbilt.
Doesn't have the pulling capacity, but if you want to be comfortable, this is your type of truck. Got nice new leather seats, and my truck also wasn't used.
I've put 27,000 miles on this truck.
I've put
It had 3,000 miles on it. It was barely used, sir.
when I got mine, it had 0 miles on it.
Yeah, and you spend a lot more, and my truck still outpulls it. So what's up?
Only paid 18 more grand for it. You do realize that, right?
I probably have 500,000 in this truck.
How much is your
I
truck
spent a
worth?
fortune. Only like 180.
Mine's worth more. Mine's worth 190.
Doesn't matter what it's worth if it can't outpull me. There ain't nothing outpulling this truck.
I don't know. What about Kenworth?
Yeah, they're owned by the same company. Still not as cool.
Wait, are they actually? Honestly,
Yeah.
I don't understand why you would want 2 brands, but
Everybody does. Toyota owns Lexus, Honda owns Acura, Ford owns Lincoln, Dodge owns Dodge and Jeep and Chrysler and Fiat. Then you have Chevy and GMC, Cadillac. Probably, I would assume that whoever started Peterbilt did not start Kensworth. They probably purchased it at some point, would be my guess. Here's a guy with a nice Kensworth that worked today.
really?
Dropping off trucks.
I did not know this. Ford used to own Land Rover.
Really?
Yeah. Ain't no way. There's actually engines in these trucks. I didn't know the game was that realistic. If you scroll in and you go through your truck, there's an engine inside.
How do you do that?
I'm in third person. I'm just scrolling around. I'm zooming in into your engine, and there's literally a motor in it.
How do you zoom in?
The scroller.
Mine doesn't do that.
Let's go. see your American flag in there.
America.
I just have a guitar in my wall.
I have an American flag pillow, a cooler, a blanket, American flag magnet, and American flag magnet.
Your truck is America. I just realized this run may be extremely long because we struggle to get up the speed a little bit since it's a little heavy.
Yeah. That's what I was saying with the other job was it made more sense to me to lose 20 grand and take the lighter weight job at the same miles because you can haul ass.
After this run I'm gonna buy that garage because, well, I may wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna make an extra money so I have money left over and I'm just gonna buy a garage.
How much does this pay?
187,000.
Oh. Mine's only paying me 177. But that's enough to buy a garage, so I shall do the same thing and then build up money to buy trucks and then hire more drivers. I'm sure I'll make 50 G's for my drivers while we're doing this too. I think I'm going to build myself the heavy hauler I wanted first.
Really? Before a garage or?
No, I had to buy a garage to add another truck. I already have 10 trucks.
I still only own one garage.
I have 2 maxed out garages. I'm going to buy a third. I'm going to buy one in Little Rock. That way we can beat up in Arkansas without me having to pay to get there. And I'll move my Peterbilt to that garage.
Is Flagstaff still gonna be like your main?
I don't care which one's my main, as long as I'm making money.
I think Arkansas is gonna be where my company's gonna stay developed.
That's a red light. Okay, you were stopping, sorry.
It's good.
Quick market. Income $11,909.
Dang.
Income 2306. Driver field work. That's made about 13 G's.
I'm gonna buy the garage that's in Little Rock. There's another one, and it's right next to a dealership. It's like in a perfect spot. It's in a nice area, and it's next to Peterbilt dealer. So it's in a good spot.
There's 2 garages in Little Rock?
Yeah.
Huh, didn't know that.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's 2. If I were you, I would not buy the one that's in that garage place I'm at, because it's just, the other place would be so much nicer, unless you just like being in a big community. It's 9 o'clock.
We're on the road now.
frame are you using for the heavy hauler?
Okay, bye.
Because I may end up building a heavy hauler.
It's got 3. Technically, it's got 4 axles, but 3 in the rear.
My next new truck, I'm just going to keep as a base model for a long time until I build up money and stuff slowly. I mean, I'm done upgrading this truck anyway, so. My next frame's not even till level like 25, so I have a while before I can do anything to this.
Car to sideswipe the shit out of it.
What DLC state are you wanting next?
Probably Louisiana.
After that, I think we should get Missouri. I just feel like that'd be like
Just
a really...
so you're aware, I'm a little ways behind you because I got stuck. That car sideswiping me and then wrecking every car.
What lane are you in? You gotta be in the left lane.
Yeah, I'm not.
Because if you take that other way, you may end up in a big problem. We've gone about 130 miles. Have they put a date announcement for the update?
Not that I know of.
Seems like it's gonna be a big one.
Yeah. Which should be pretty cool.
I heard something they might be adding like 9 more trucks. Which honestly would be awesome, because we need more trucks.
Oh, show.
Like, I did not know this. There's a lot more Western Star trucks than I thought. Like, there's a lots of models. We got a toll booth up here. $11. I feel like the company that we're delivering this to should be the one that's paying for a lot of this.
Yeah.
Oh, when do you need to sleep, by the way?
I think I've still got a little while.
I got
You can
8.
sleep now if you need to.
No, I got 8 hours.
I have 7.
We have another toll booth up here. Paid $22 worth of tolls already.
Mm-hmm.
Oh crap, I need fuel. Next fuel stop, we need to stop.
Okay.
Mine's at red. I did not realize my driver's been driving this much. Dumb cop.
I'm about to get a ticket. Yep.
I got
Got a
11.
$1,500 ticket.
Same. Can't afford that. I have $8,000.
I saw the cop and I was like, well, I'm screwed.
There's no gas stations. I'll be fine. I only have like 50 miles left. Just beware, my truck may shut off at any moment.
We're in a fairly large city, bro. If you took an exit, there will be fuel somewhere.
It's fine. If I need to, I'll just take an emergency fill. We're taking an exit. Oh, I just damage switch. Not doing good over here. Thank you, driver. Oh, we're running into a town up here. Soon. I don't know if I can make it to this town. It's 50 miles away.
There was fuel right there, bro.
No, there wasn't. There's no green icon.
Yeah, dude. Dude, I promise you, if we'd have taken that exit, there was fuel.
That was just a small little area. There's a dead end down there. I need that
What?
to see me.
Why are you off the road? You're so far ahead of me, I still can't see you, but on the map, it looks like you're not on the road.
I'm getting paid nothing.
What?
It's just come around this corner.
Oh, that's not good.
What am I doing? 911.
What happened to your truck?
I hit that barrier and I just started flying. How much is it gonna be? Oh, my truck is toast, Dad. Oh, I can't do it. You know something? I may have to cancel this convoy.
Why?
My truck needs about $100,000 worth of repairs.
What did you do?
I hit this barrier and my truck just went flying. Bro, I'm gonna have to cancel. My engine is toast. My frame is toast. Everything is toast. My truck's literally almost at 1 star.
So what? What were you doing that made you lose control that bad?
I don't know. I hit this corner hard and all I did was hit the fence and I just started flying and my cab was like glitching off of my truck. Do you mind if I cancel this?
No.
Because my truck is... Oh my gosh. Revert progress. Yes. I'm about to see what happens. Yeah, I'm done for the night. I'm not even in my truck.
Are you in the Mini?
Yes.
Okay, so I guess I'll cancel this job too. And then
I'm just done.
revert my progress.
Yeah.
Well, at least it